guys, good afternoon. It's actually in the evening. Good evening. It's we're starting a vlog. I'm from work and I was cleaning the fridge now because I saw that it wasn't clean. You know when those things, Niana, when you take something out of the fridge, and yeah, so I started taking things from the fridge. It actually is empty. Let me put it like that. So I bought things, but it's not like I bought weekly things. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack the things with you, and yeah, so I buy as I go, I buy as I need, and yeah, so good evening. Let's rock the block. Let me show you what I bought. I bought eggs. I saw on the previous vlog you saw me buying water. So it's actually nearly finished. I'm gonna fill up the fridge with this. The reason I bought this one, again, I wanted to have at least 15 liters so that I can go and fill up. I think it's Checkers, they do fill up the water, and or wherever where they fill water, but the place I know currently is Checkers. And then actually I stopped filling the water, but I want to start again because of this drama on the news that we had, that what is happening with our water that we consume. And then yeah, so I bought that. When this is finished, I'm gonna go and buy from Checkers. I'm not sure how much is it now, but I think it's reasonable than buying every time buying this, because I do have the container now. Anyway, welcome. So we I went to Pick n Pay after work just to show just to buy some things for the fridge. And yeah, let me show you. I bought these rolls, lettuce, burgers. Actually, I'm gonna do burgers when I'm done with work, or I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it now. And then milk. We bought that. I'm gonna buy mince, and then so that we do pasta, and bought chickpeas, and then I've got yogurt. I've got aroma, tomato. This actually goes together with this. Yeah, but I don't take tomato because of the seeds. I will do something else. I want to do gravy with it. And what else? Fillets. I've got oil. I've got aromat for my eggs. I've got curry paste. Actually, you know what? Let me not tell you the story. It's gonna be long, but yeah, no man, let me tell you. Anyway, this curry paste. There's a colleague of mine who was mixing the Indian spices for me, and then now she was off when I bought this. So I was like, you know what, I'm so used to this tasty, this aroma of those spices, and let me try this. And when she's back, we can go back to Pick n Pay and to for her to mix those spices for me. It was very nice when she was mixing those ones, but I bought this. Yeah, that's what. And another milk. Last time I bought milk, guys, last time I bought milk, I've used it because I use it for my breakfast prep. And when I think after 3 days, the milk was not nice. I don't know what to do now. I've got oats. You know what I do with oats? I prefer the overnight oats. We love overnight oats recently. The people in the house, they've joined me. Actually, my son joined me with overnight oats. But the cooked one, we do love it as well. And then I bought Colgate. I still have Colgate, but I bought this one. I bought soap. Bought mouthwash for myself. And Nando's. I bought that. This I love because I don't put too much on my thingy. I prefer putting the tomato paste because they don't have seeds. And this goes with that, but I still have cheese in the fridge. That. And then yeah, I've got 6 done. I've got dinner for my baby. Oh my goodness, we bond with this dog when with my dog, not this dog, my dog. We bond. Mas nalama biscuit, because every time she was just stand at the door and wait and look at my hands. So yeah, I bought this so that we can rebond. Every time when I don't have, I give her bread, but she still enjoy the bread. But at least there's biscuit for her now. And I love this Brino. If you've got a dog, please, if I bore you with, if you don't have a dog, it's okay. Please just bear with me. But if you've got a dog, these messages that are here are so cute. You know, I will show you when I give her one. It's like, I love you, mommy, or I love you, daddy, and I'm loving to be, you know, there's messages like this one, good dog, like you're a good dog, you deserve, you know, those messages, they're cute. Yeah, that's all I bought, you guys. And yeah, so let me pack my fridge and hey guys, let me show you my diffuser that I bought. I'm finished washing. My hair is done. It's nice and clean. I'm just gonna wear earrings. But before I show you my diffuser, let me show you my earrings. The one I bought. I bought earrings, guys. 3 of them were 40 rand. I bought at Legit. So I'm going to wear these ones. Let's wear them. Yeah, so I want to show you the diffuser as well. I'm more excited about the diffuser, you guys, because no, it's fine like that. Ooh, woo. Are they cool? Are they cool? Yeah, my hair is nice and clean. I'm not wearing any makeup. Just gonna do the yeah, I think I look good. I look better. Yeah, so this is my diffuser. Let me show you. This will be for my lounge area. This will be for my lounge area. I just want to show you quickly. The packaging, darling, the packaging. Oh, look at that. Oh man, this is so cute. Look at that. So cute. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Let me show you. always wanted hair. Ah, she smells so good. Oh. And you've got this. I'm gonna show you when I open it. Probably it's gonna be sometime later in a year, because I still have a little bit of diffuser at that side, which I wanna bring to this area, to my bedroom. Yo, I'm so happy. It was, how much was it? Was it $3.99? Yeah, I think it was $3.99. Love the packaging. I love the bottle. But when I open it and make use of it, I'm gonna show you and tell you how it smells as well. Yeah, this is what we got. Love the packaging, guys. They did a good job on the packaging. Oh, this is a good thing for a gift. Look at that. Look at that. Smells good. So guys, let's go. I'm gonna put it back here. Just wanted to show you that. Let's go, guys. I'm running late already. Let's go.